Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to make your taskbar icons bigger in Windows 11. First, click on the Start button in the bottom center of your screen. From the menu that appears, open the Settings app. You can also press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard to open Settings directly. Once the Settings window opens, look at the menu on the left side and click on System. Under System, select Display. This is where you can control how things appear on your screen. Now, look for the section called Scale. This option controls the size of text, apps, and other items. By default, the scale is usually set to 100%. Click on the drop-down menu and change it to 125%. You can also choose a higher scale if you want everything even larger, but 125% is the most common choice for bigger taskbar icons. After selecting the new scale, Windows may ask you to sign out and sign back in for the changes to take effect. Once you do that, you will see your taskbar icons are noticeably larger and easier to use. This simple method is the best way to make your taskbar icons bigger in Windows 11 without installing any extra software. Thanks for watching.